Hello teachers, my name is Merlis Gilbert, and today I will be showing you how to use the cool tool Edpuzzle. Okay, Edpuzzle is the perfect tool for allowing students to watch and engage with videos while the teacher gathers data throughout the lesson. As teachers dabble into the flipped classroom philosophy, Edpuzzle is the perfect enhancement tool for videos to be watched at home instead of eating up valuable class time. Edpuzzle allows you to take a video from YouTube, Khan Academy, LearnZillion, Crash Course, or you can even upload your own video and manipulate the portion that you need. Once you have uploaded a video, you can crop the video, you can do voiceovers with the video, and you can even add quizzes to the video. On the teacher account, you can see the progress that the student has made on the questions and the amount of time the student has taken to complete the lesson. Teachers can also place restrictions on the video so students cannot fast forward through the lesson, or through the video rather. And without further ado, let's log in. Alright, and when you log in, you will obviously log in as a teacher. And it'll be easier to log in with your Google account. You see we're logging in. And we will come to my home page, all right? When you come to the home page, I am a physical education teacher, so mine will say trending in health and PE. Yours may say something different depending on what you are teaching. All right? And at the home page, it'll be just a list of different videos trending in health and PE, or even trending in Alabama. Or you can either search your own up here at the top. Okay. All right. Over here to the left, we have curriculum, where you can explore different curriculums, whether it be elementary school, middle, or high school. Your school would be there, where you can invite your own teachers or colleagues. And my content, where all my videos will be saved that I use. And under here, we have all of the popular channels. Okay. You want to go back home. Up here we have the grade book, where it will show all of your students' grades. And when you click on my classes, it will have the due assignments, the due dates, and you can also invite your students using your class code. All right. Now we're going to go back to content. All right, we're just going to click on this video right here. Okay, as you see, when the video comes up, down here to the right, at the bottom, it says assign, which you can assign it to your classroom, edit, which you can edit the video, duplicate, or delete. Alright, now we're going to click on edit. As you can see, when you click on edit, at the top you have crop video, voiceover, audio notes, quizzes. This is where everything's getting fun. Alright, so if you want to make the video shorter, as you can see here with the red at the bottom, you can crop the video to make it shorter, or you can make it back at its original post. Alright, you can do voiceovers, or you can record over the video just to make sure your voice is heard and students are paying attention. You can make different audio notes throughout the video to give different hints. And you can also add quizzes like I stated before. Alright, to add quizzes, you just click on here. And see, you can add 3 different type of quizzes. Alright, and you just type it in and save it. Alright. Once you do that, once you have everything the way you want it, you will go over here to save, to make sure you save all your work. And then you will go to finish. And once you finish, it will ask you, do you want to assign it to class? And this, I already have a class open, which is called PE. And I will assign it to here. Over here, I can create the start date. And I can also create the due date. Alright. Here, this is where I can prevent my students from skipping the video. Either I let them skip it, or I can prevent them from skipping it so they will have to watch the whole video. Alright. Once I do that, I will hit assign. And there you have it. Your video is ready for student interaction.